Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. TEKTON 1/2 inch drive X 1 to 1/2 inch deep 6-point impact socket. Size is marked both with a high-visibility laser marking and a permanent stamped marking that won't wear off. 6-point socket opening provides an exact fit for hex fasteners. Number 2. TEKTON 1/2 inch drive X 1 to 1/2 inch deep 6-point socket. 6-point socket opening provides an ideal, exact fit for hex-shaped fastener heads. Socket geometry is designed to apply force to flat sides of fasteners and not the corners, preventing round-off. Deep-length sockets reach into wells and accommodate the excess threads of longer shafts. Number 3. TEKTON 3/8 inch drive X 1/2 inch deep 6-point impact socket. Size is marked both with a high-visibility laser marking and a permanent stamped marking that won't wear off. 6-point socket opening provides an exact fit for hex fasteners. Number 4. SUNKPMCKP 1/2 drive deep 6-point impact socket set. Made of chrome molybdenum steel, the top material in pneumatic tool applications, the material cost is 3 times that of chromium vanadium steel. Deeply hardened, it has the best impact resistance, high strength and toughness, and the overall performance is top. And the corrosion-resistant, manganese phosphate coating sandblasted finish. Number 5. MIXPOWER 1/2 inch drive deep impact socket 1.5 inch SAE. Made from premium impact grade chrome molybdenum steel with black phosphate finish for enhanced durability. Radius corner design, 6-point opening reduces wear and increases torque on fasteners by placing force on fastener walls rather than fastener corners.